Hello, my friends, and welcome back. In today's live programming video, we'll be doing some work on Komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows, written in the Rust programming language. Today, I wanted to tackle a bug fix. I'm not sure actually if there is an issue for this. I know it's been mentioned on the Discord a number of times. It's like could not connect to socket. It's an error like this. It's a socket error. Hey Alex, this is this. No, it's not this one, but it is a socket related error. All right, so best thing is probably for me to just demonstrate this. Right, so we'll get Komorebi C log running here. I'm going to do Komorebi C query focused workspace index. Oh, first time. Okay, so this is the error that I have been seeing. A couple of other people have been seeing as well. No connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. And you can see here on the left, Komorebi C itself is hanging, which is not great. And so sometimes this works, and you run it enough times in succession and you're gonna get a refusal. And this happens both ways, right? So sometimes Komorebi is not able to open a connection to the Komorebi C socket, and sometimes Komorebi C is not able to make a connection to the Komorebi socket. So let's cancel out of that. Let's get rid of all of these, and all right, we'll start again here at the socket message enum. So the command I was running was query. Let's find that in process command. So we can see in the code it's not particularly exciting, right? Depending on what we're querying, we get the thing, and then we come down here and we try and connect to Komorebi C.sock and then write our response. On the other side, here we go. So we have the subcommand, and oh no, this is not the one, this is the one. Send message, right? So sometimes we try to connect to the Komorebi.sock socket, and then it errors out here. So, here it is. No connection could be made. So that error is coming from this question mark and this question mark on the connect method of Unix stream. So I'm thinking this might just be a case of needing to retry until it succeeds. So let's start there. So here we are in process command. You know what, it might actually be worthwhile to see how many times we call Unix stream connect. Apparently quite a few times. Alrighty, so that is the hot watch. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, this is the preload. I'm not sure what this one is doing. Let's not touch this. I don't remember this code at all. The frick? Okay, so this is, I'm not even going to get into it. No side quests today. We have a task. We're going to stick to the frickin' task. All right, so at the simple most level of handling this, we want to know if we had a connection. So we'll do let mut connected is false. That's a mutable boolean. And then while not connected, we want to keep trying to connect, right? So this connect method returns an IO result. So if let OK stream equals Unix stream connect, take a reference to the socket there, then we can say connected is true, and then that breaks us out of this while loop. And because we have we're going to need a mutable stream, I believe. And because we have a stream, then we can just do stream write all. And I think that should be enough. So let's validate this real quick. We'll do Komorebi C stop. Just install target Komorebi, and this is just for the query socket message that we're handling. So we just got the stop command. Now we'll do Komorebi C start. Great, we have now started up. So we can do, query. And I'm just sending this a whole bunch of times very quickly. And it was okay up until there. There I'm not sure what happened, but it's better than it was before. So I think we hit a deadlock there. No, we didn't. Huh. So that must mean that it does reach a point where the retry continues indefinitely. Oh man, sockets. Who needs them? Alright. Let's kill both of these. I was supposed to start it with the flag. Alright, start it with the flag. Okay, so let's try running those again. So I think like in normal usage, it seems okay. Like if you're running a script to get this and update it every second. I mean, that's already a significant percentage more reliable than it was at the start. I don't think I'm going to go too much deeper into this until somebody finds an issue. I don't want to go too far down this road unless I have to. Small margin of error at a very, very high throughput that is not necessarily reflective of common usage. I don't think that is going to serve much purpose. So let's go and check out all the places where we have Unix Stream Connect. So when we're sending the state, yep, that'll do it. That'll do it. So we'll add some retries there. And then that's going to be state as bytes. Let's yank this. Head over to the next one. This is when we're looking up the visible windows. Okay. And here we're sending visible windows state. And I think there are 2 or 3 more. It's quite a few more. There are quite a few more. Oh, okay. Application specific schema. I forget that I can just edit straight in here sometimes, you know? So we'll do here schema as... That's why I don't do that. That's why I don't do that. Because whenever I hit escape, I lose everything. I forgot where I was. Was it here? No, it was application specific. Probably where this is. Okay. Notification schema, yep. That one too. Socket schema, that one too. All these schemas. Static config schema, that one as well. I mean, these ones are not as prone to having these sorts of socket connection errors, because like you just run them once to generate a static piece of documentation. Ooh, what did I do here? I messed up something here. Oh, it's called config here. Yeah, but you know, just for the sake of keeping the pattern consistent for people who come into the code base, I think that makes a lot of sense. Oh, what am I doing? That's stream. Okay. Now let's see. That is looking right. So we get the state, visible window state. This one is response. This one is schema. Yeah, okay. I mean, I think we can just use cargo to tell us if I've messed up anything drastically there. It doesn't look like I have, so that is good for us. And then the other end of this is in Komorebi C, and we only do this once here, so we have this send message. So we can bring the socket definition up here. Oh snap, what happened? Yep, Rust Rover just died on me. Isn't that lovely? Me versus JetBrains, the never-ending struggle. I don't know, man. JetBrains used to be very, very reliable. And like, obviously, I still use JetBrains a lot in my projects. Like, if it's anything more complex than a couple of files, I'll always reach for a JetBrains IDE instead of struggling in NeoVim and LunaVim. But I don't know, man. The quality of the experience has definitely gone down. And then here we just have the bytes, but we do need to return a void result. So Yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's see what Clippy's saying. Let's just run just thumped, which also runs Clippy for us. And if this is good, which it looks like it is, we can stage and recompile. Yep, so let's stop, just install. I think just install does both. Yeah. And this should be okay. If it runs, like, I'm happy. You know, if it runs, I'm happy. There we go. We'll hit Komorebi C start. And hit the query command a bunch of times. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy to call that a day. I know I said in one of the videos that was going to be the last. Actually, no, I said that was going to be the last new feature. I didn't say it was going to be the last commit. This is a bug fix, so it's okay. It is 100% halal for me to add in this new commit before the next version release. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that offline. We can wrap up and keep this video a little bit shorter. I still have like 4 or 5 videos to edit before I can get around to editing this one. So yeah, I'm traveling on Monday, what is the date going to be? The 20th. I'm going to be out of town for, I think, 10 days. So got a good backlog of stuff that will be going live. I just need to finish editing and uploading it. But you'll all see in good time. For now, why don't we say thank you, as always, to the sponsors of Komorebi. Thank you, private sponsor number 1, private sponsor number 2, EFL1P, Julian, Evan, Maxwell, Red Lobster, Darian, Leandro, Alex. Alex had a guest appearance in the issues today. Hello again, Alex. Kwang, thank you. Surefire, Pavel, and Hisayuki. Thank you all so very, very much. If you too would like to become a sponsor, head on over to this page, the sponsor page. You can become a monthly sponsor. You can do a one-time sponsorship. It's up to you. Even if it's just $1 a month, it makes a huge difference to me. If, however, you are not in a position to become a sponsor, the very next best thing that you can do is hit subscribe on the YouTube channel where you are most likely watching this video right now. We are very close to full monetization, which means that all the ads on these tutorials, on the live programming videos, we'll start getting some ad revenue from that. It's not going to be a lot, but it is still, nevertheless, a very nice, easy, passive way for you to support this project. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it on up. I hope that whatever you all do today, you have a great day. Free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.